How to fix Aetna Health login not working. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to App Store. In the source bar, search for Aetna Health. It will open up this app in App Store. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application has been updated, now the next thing you want to do is head over to your settings of your device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. And then you'll need to head over to the application Aetna Health. Tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the storage and cache will remove all the unwanted bugs, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing in this application. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Aetna Health login problem.